Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm here at Kogarah station filming trains. There was a Bondi Junction via Kogarah service. Well, that's actually via Central now. I did not know what the front four cars were, but the rear four cars was T36. Next train's at Bondi Junction via Central service in 5 minutes. And I'll see you when the next train comes. Now standing on platforms 2 and 3. Next train on platform 2 is the Helensburgh service in 1 hour and 22 minutes. The train will stop at Carlton, Alot and then Helensburgh. Then a Bondi Junction service in 13 minutes, and on platform 4 there's a Waterfall train in 3 minutes. Now arriving on platform number 1, we have a Bondi Junction via Central service. The train will stop at Rockdale, Walnut Creek, Sydenham, Redfern Central, Town Hall, and then all stations to Bondi Junction. Front four cars is T105. It's a nice curvature of the train. Pretty beautiful. Waterfall train should arrive just after this train departs. T105 and its friend departing platform 1 for a Bondi Junction via Central service. And I believe the Waterfall train should just be arriving now. Next Bondi Junction train's in half an hour, so I believe the next train does not stop. I was correct, the next train on platform 1 does not stop. There should be a big wave of passing trains now. And anyways, now arriving on the platform 4 with a Waterfall service.
For your safety, please remain behind the yellow line at all times and allow others to get off before boarding.
The train will stop at Carlton, Alloa, Helensburgh, then all stations to Waterfall. Front four cars T74. Sorry, this train will stop at Carlton, Alloa, Helensburgh, then Mortdale, Janali, Sutherland, then all stations to Waterfall.
Central, Town Hall, and then all stations to...
Now departing platform 4, Waterfall service. Okay, so I just heard the announcement. This train will stop at Carlton, Alloa, Helensburgh, Penshurst, Mortdale, Janali, Sutherland, Loftus, Engadine, Heathcote, Waterfall. I'm not good with the Waterfall stopping pattern. It's not my strength, but obviously there's a train that departs platform 1, I believe. No, there isn't. Okay. It sounded like there was a train, but just echoing. Front four cars T74, rear four cars T129. Next train's a Cronulla service in 5 minutes. Okay, instead of a Helensburgh service in 1 hour 16 minutes, next train on platform 2 does not stop. It was a weird change, but it changed, so yeah. Now arriving on the platform 4, Cronulla service. Front four cars T89. When I was coming here to Kogarah, between, I believe it was Oatley and Penshurst, I saw train marker. I saw T83 just laying in the grass. Like, it wasn't the train, it was just the marker. And I was laying in the grass, so it was pretty surprising. Now departing platform 4, Cronulla service. Bondi Junction service should be coming in about a minute. Front four cars T74, rear four cars T38. Next train does not stop. Now arriving on the platform 2, Bondi Junction via Central service. Front four cars T28. That's what I could saw. I didn't know if it was T28 or T26. The train will stop all stations including Banksia, Arncliffe and Tempe. Now departing platform 3, Bondi Junction via Central service. The train will stop at... Oh, there's a train passing. Bondi Junction via Walnut Creek service. T5 leading. And T53 trailing. The only 4 cars with that Bondi Junction service. T38. Next train's a Bondi Junction service in 20 minutes. The indicator on platform 3 is blank and it says next train does not stop. So probably the next recent trains on platform 3 for probably the next hour will be passing. Now about to pass platform 4, we have a Kiama service. Front 4 cars, H38. Oh, that's the only set. The train will stop at Hurstville, Sutherland. Then we have Helensburgh, through North Wollongong, Coniston, Uradero, Adapter, Abbey Park, Ophak, Shelburne Junction, Benamara, Bombo, and Kiama. I don't know, not Shelburne Junction. I don't know if this looks up at Shelburne. Next train's a Cronulla service in 9 minutes.
3, please be aware all city services will now depart on platform number 1 to the customer on platform number 3. Please be aware all city services are now departing on platform number 1. Would you please make out on platform number 1 if you want to catch a city service?
Now about to pass platform number 2, we have a freight train. Oh my luck. Leading loco is 8230. This will be loud again, which I do not like, but 8231, 8116, 8243. Smells horrible. Oh my. I'm wearing a mask and it's so old. Oh, it smells. Someone graffitied Scum Crew on the thing. Can't see how long this is because of the curve. This is gonna be like 20 minutes long, I don't know why. Here's the end, it's slowing down. And that was that. No more trains departing, no more city trains departing from platform 3 anymore. They will be departing from platform 1 now. After a random change again, next train on platform 1 does not stop instead of it being a Bondi Junction service. Now about to rocket past platform 3, central service. The set is H34. That train will stop at Walleye Creek, Redfern, Central, and Central. Next train on platform 3 does not stop. Now arriving on platform 4, Cronulla service.
On platform 3, the next train does not stop at this platform.
Front forecast T22.
Please stand behind the yellow line. Please stand clear.
And honestly, I want to film at Alot, Carlton, Banksia, you know, Arncliffe stations like that. But they're pretty far. And there's trains every 30 minutes, so I really don't want to get stuck there. It's taking a long time to stop. T22 and its friend departing platform 4 for a Cronulla service. The train will stop at Carlton, Allawa, Hurstville, then all stations to Cronulla. Front forecast T22, rear forecast T126. The next train will be a Helensburgh service in 15 minutes. I take myself back. Next train on platform 4 does not stop. Now this is the train I've been waiting for. Now about to pass platform 4. Actually no, maybe it's direct signal, I don't know. Non-service Oscar. Front forecast H28. I believe this train is going to Mortdale Maintenance Centre for services. Front forecast H28, rear forecast, I still do not know. Front forecast H28, the rear forecast H14. Next train's a Helensburgh service in 9 minutes. I'm about to pass platform 1, Bondi Junction via Walleye Creek service. T27 is the front 4 cars. And the rear 4 cars is T97. Next train's at Bondi Junction service in 7 minutes. Now arriving on platform 4, number 1, sorry. Bondi Junction service, T16 leading. Helensburgh train is not in my sights even though it is in 1 minute. T16 and his friend departing platform number 1, whilst the Helensburgh service is arriving. I believe it's a 4 car, no, it's an 8 car. You rarely ever see 8 car Kogarahs on the south coastline. Front 4 cars for the Helensburgh service, T69 and T70. Front 4 cars, T16, rear 4 cars, T9. Here we have T69 and T70 on platform 4. Next train's at Bondi Junction service by Central on platform 1. Excuse for the beeping sound in the background, is a Woolworths truck. T69 and T70 are departing platform 4 for a Helensburgh service. I've seen this train in my previous 2 videos. This one and Como, I believe. Next train's a Cronulla service in 9 minutes. Finally, after a long time, now about to rocket past platform 3, Bondi Junction via Walleye Creek service, T60 leading. And T46 trailing. Next train does not stop. Now arriving on the platform 4 Cronulla service.
Customers on platform 3.
The train will stop at Hurstville
Does not stop at this
and then all stations to Cronulla. Bondi Junction train in 2 minutes will be probably the last train of the video. Front 4 cars is T3. T3 and its friend now departing platform number 4. Actually, this will be the last train for the video. Front 4 cars is T3 and the rear 4 cars, let's see, T127. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye, everybody.